Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair review for you guys. This hair is from Wiggins Hair. I'm just going to show you some things that came inside the bag. So we have some instructions on how to take care of the wig, how to wash it, detangle it, stuff like that. And it came with a wig cap, a hairband, and a band to tie down the lace. And this is what the band looks like outside of the pack. So this is the hair. It is a dark brown 13x4 lace frontal wig. The length of this hair is 18 inches and the density is 180%. It does have a pre-plucked hairline as well. And I like how this wig does not have that comb in the middle, because I just feel like that comb be so pointless in the middle. And the hair feels really soft. So I'm not really 100% sure what I want to do yet. It is kind of looking a little like lighter right now. I think I'm gonna have to go back in towards the end to try to get that together. But I kind of want to do, I never did like a deep side part. I kind of want to try that. Or I feel like even like a middle part would be cute too. I just don't know yet. So I'm just gonna cut the air tabs off and then figure it out.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. trying to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really wanna run, just wanna get away.
Yeah, y'all, I did something wrong here. Definitely gonna have to do some fixing for sure. It's okay. Cause we're gonna get it together. It's okay. This is my first time trying this, y'all, so wish me luck here. This is, I got the caramel lace tint. I might actually just try it on the side where I'm gonna have the hair over, because I don't really wanna, cause why it's coming out like that. Okay. I'm kind of scared, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little scared, y'all, I'm a little scared.
Claps.
I'm not gonna lie, that lace tint definitely did something.
not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.